Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share about the structure element for creation. This tutorial video for the beginners. So who is going to start to use the Revit, follow my channel, look at my tutorial video and follow with this, then you will be understand more about it. So how it's going to create the element, what the structure element, what is the architecture element. Okay, so let's study it about the structure element. So okay, in here and under structure, this video, this all the element I created in the previous tutorial, and here this start from this part 1 2 3 or 4 5 6, and then you can have a look. Okay. Right now we're going to explain to you about for the bin creation. Okay, we're going to start it right now. So you click on it, then you can see the rectangular bin. Okay, this is a rectangular bin to create it here. Okay, level 0, I show you. If you create the level 0 or the ground level, you can't see the beam here. There's a reason that it's showing. See, you can't see this because of the view range. Okay, the view range, you have to set the view range. VR, call the VR. Sorry, VR. And you can see there's unlimited. Then see the unlimited. Click on it. Then you can see this. That is the social pane. If you want to see clearly in the 3D view, you can take a look. Okay, look. Then you have a look here. This is level 0. Geometric position is the start extension is is 0. X, Y, Z, the value is all 0. The example I will change to here is like the slanted beam. So I will type in 200. Click on it, you see what the 200 is going on. You see the step level offset and unlevel offset. Unlevel offset is 200. So this is depend on your experience. You understand about the level. The beam is where to flash what level should be. So you type, you key in the value, then the beams will be following is according to the level here. If you want the level 0, totally is make it 0. Okay, I will go back to the level 1. Okay, before you create any element, you check the view range, what is the original one. So call VR, just VR, or the view range is here. Okay, extends here, the view range, click on it, then you have a look. This is a 300 and a 300. This is the downside. He's looking at you, the 300. So this is the button here. The button is number 3 here, and the view depth is number 4. So number 4 here is set to the minus 300. You look down the 300. So I will create the beam. It will show you. Okay, another thing, you still see this beam is look like this. If I change to this code, you will see the line only. That is the system firmly is working like this. Okay, if you change to the view here, it's like this. The detail level is a median. Median is work. If the code level, it doesn't see the beam. Make sure, I think if you make it a fine, then you can see this. Okay, I suggest to you, if you're working on the complex project, what is the complex project is like more building, more element in one project. That is, so we call it a complex project. So if you're using the complex project for this kind of structure framing, anything is like too heavy for you to handle the project, to handle this laptop. Your laptop will be is like hanging around. That is not smooth. Better we choose this median. Okay, this is how you handle the PC and any laptop. Okay, if your personal one, totally careful that is the open one also you must be careful this that because when you using heavy one it's like video graphic card is will be consumed, then long time using that your video graphic card is will be gone. It's like it's totally going to spoil soon, so careful about that because of the Revit is a heavy software, then he consumes a lot of graphic card and then is using by is like a lot of things he using but behind. Okay, that's this is a extra bonus for you to understand that how does it look like. Okay, how the thing is going on. Okay, there is a beam creation is look like this. If I created the beam, okay, if I created this like this and it doesn't change, you click on this change, you create like this, you create like this, you create like this, then you will be connected automatically. Okay, going to 3D view, if I change to this number is like about 500, you see that it's not connected here. If I change this guy to 500, it's minus 500 down, they are not connected each other. You can join frame it will be joined properly, but it's not proper yet. So if you right click in here, this is a dot line, you click right click, it's going to this. Okay, there's no proper being joined, there's no structure is look like this, there's no structure thing is not really look like this. Okay, don't worry, that's how the Revit is playing wrong. Okay, I'll change back to 0 and 0, change back to 0 like this. Okay, if I create the endeavor beam, I should connect this. And look at this, there's no gap, there's a gap here, the proper one, he's not joined properly. I think I will change to this guy 0 and this guy 0, it will be joined properly, look like this. But okay, there's an intelligent things for you. I will give the bonus for you. So you see that this dotted line, the dot line here, the blue dot line here, I will click on here, this is the center line, this automatically will join. He joined geometrically, it looks like this. Okay, we're going to another one. This is the wall creation. Okay, this wall creation is like the wall creation is another word also have in the architecture. So I already show you the tutorial here. This is the wall. If you click on the architectural wall, you have to take the structure element or what, because he doesn't show you, this is not under the structure element. Okay, if you create it here, the wall, so mean you just create out, because this wall will be the structure, totally structure. This one is under structure element. If I create it here, the wall, look at this, there's no structure element. He's not playing the analytical model. Okay, another thing, this is a structure element by discipline using by this. If I off this guy, what does it look like? It doesn't change, but it's a system. I'm not sure this guy. But almost the same, because the wall is on. The wall is on because we created the two wall, and one is archi, one is a structure still on it. There is no hiding anything. But if you're working in a structure firm, is like structure engineer. So you just created a structure element. Don't create any archi wall. But there's a wall homework for analytical model. So analytical model means like the another things is like the one is a 60 analytical model to playing around. How the structure is cutting strand, how the energy, how the structure energy is that's a playing thing, like the architectural fan or the structure things is like this is how the work. Okay, I will go in another one. This is the column. I will go into the column. This column also I already explained you and before. I will show you this tutorial number 3, wall creation here, and then tutorial 3 and tutorial 4. Let me see this guy, the column creation. This column creation is under Archi. Okay, we'll go back to you. I'll go back. Okay, I will create the column. This column is where host to the level 0. Okay, I will change to the level 1. So I will play on the level 1. See the level 1 is a minus 2.5. This is going to the level 1. If not, because of the only we have a level 2, this is a default new construction template. We play like this. Okay, the column it has the slanted column. Okay, I will go into the level 0. If I created this column, if you want to choose the slanted, see this level 0 minus 4 meter and level 1. Then I will draw what direction you want to slant it. I will slant this direction 9.5. Okay, you want to look at this. This guy is slanting. Some structure is like the slanting, is like slanted. Yeah, design is based on the architecture. They will use a slanted column. This thing, okay. This one is a vertical column. Thing is two things. You see that? Look at this. Same scenario with the beam. Is he playing around this media? It's like a 200 or minus 500 like that. Okay. I will going to this floor. This floor creation I explained to you before. It is under architecture. Right now it is the structure element. I will create it here, level 0. I will draw same scenario, same thing, everything is same thing. But if you look at it here, structure is on and the gate is on. So that is under structure. Just off. You see that? It is a span direction. If you don't want to see this span direction, you can delete it. Or another way is it okay, before you delete it, you look on the property what the thing, then you go on the visibility and you hide it. You look at this, well, annotation, span direction, one way select. This one way select direction, which one is under span direction symbol? Okay, let's go to the VV visibility. If you remember the VV, or if you don't remember, you just go in here, visible graphic. Okay, that one is under annotation. You look for this span direction. Span direction symbol. Look at it here and check. Plan is off. Okay, this is a two-way. You on and off, or you want to delete it. So which one you want it? Just go ahead. Okay, I will stop for now. So hopefully you follow my you follow this, you practice. Okay, if you don't anything, you comment down below. I will appreciate you. I will answer to you right away. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.